Today we're going to talk about a government loan. This is Dan Grimes, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Mortgage Angler. It's called FHA, Federal Housing Authority. And we're going to discuss the benefits to you as a consumer as to why you would use an FHA loan. Well, one of the first benefits is it has a low down payment, only 3.5% of the purchase price. Now, you can do that for a single family, two family, a three family, or a four family. And the benefit to you is, again, 3.5% down versus a conventional loan at 5% down. The second benefit to this FHA loan is the consumer does not have to have any credit scores, but you do have to have alternative credit so that we can develop some way that you're paying your bills. As an example, cell phone bill, electric bill, or even your rent payment that you pay would be alternative credit. Another benefit is the seller can pay for up to 6% of the purchase price for your closing costs, your prepaids, points, and escrows. So they can pay for all of your closing costs. It's a great program. Gift funds are allowed, and the gift funds can be used for the down payment and all your closing costs also, but they have to be from a relative. One big benefit for the FHA loan is it has high qualifying ratios. Ratios that are much higher than your typical conventional loan. Let's take an example. Consumer came in a few months ago and his debt to income ratio was pretty high. It was over 50% of his gross pay. So I explained to him that his benefit would be to do an FHA loan, and we actually got him pre-approved and he closed. However, he would not have been able to get a conventional loan due to his debt to income ratio. A couple of more benefits for the FHA loan is that they have competitive rates, and sometimes the FHA rates are lower than your conventional loan. And the last one is that there's mortgage insurance for the consumer on a monthly basis that is lower than your conventional loans at times. So if you have a low credit score, conventional loan would give you a higher mortgage insurance payment, but on the FHA, it would be much, much lower. For more information, please give me a call, 781-910-3776, so you can learn more about the FHA loan and the benefits for you as a consumer. And always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.